Understanding Yule Tide Greetings, a dive into seasonal expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and seasonal phrase that you've probably heard around the winter holidays: Yule Tide Greetings. This expression is rich in history and culture, and understanding it can give you deeper insights into English-speaking traditions during the holiday season. So, let's dive in and unwrap the layers behind this festive greeting. Yule Tide Greetings is a phrase used to express well wishes, warmth, and happiness during the Yule season, which coincides with the Christmas holidays in many cultures. Yule refers to the ancient festival celebrating the winter solstice, observed by the Germanic peoples, and it has been integrated into modern Christmas traditions. Tide in this context means a season or a specific time. Therefore, when someone says, Yule Tide Greetings, they are essentially wishing you a joyous and happy season during the time of Yule. Yule has pagan origins and was traditionally celebrated with feasts, decorations, and various rituals meant to welcome the returning light after the longest night of the year, the winter solstice. With the spread of Christianity, many Yule traditions were absorbed into Christmas celebrations. Today, the term Yule is often synonymous with Christmas, especially in countries with a strong historical influence from Germanic cultures. Using Yule Tide Greetings in conversation or in holiday cards is a beautiful way to convey warm holiday wishes with a touch of historical and cultural richness. It's perfect for those who want to impart a unique and thoughtful sentiment during the holiday season. This phrase can be especially appreciated by individuals interested in history, culture, or those who prefer greetings that stand out from the more common Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. Seasonal greetings like Yule Tide Greetings play a significant role in fostering goodwill and connection among people. They reflect the diversity of cultural traditions and the shared joy that comes with celebrating the winter season. Understanding and using varied greetings can also enhance your language skills and cultural awareness, making your holiday messages more inclusive and meaningful. We hope this exploration of Yule Tide Greetings has enriched your understanding of this charming holiday phrase. As we celebrate the season, let's remember the depth of history and culture that phrases like this carry. Whether you're sending cards, chatting with friends, or sharing holiday wishes on social media, consider using Yule Tide Greetings to add a sprinkle of historical charm to your festive communications. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a joyful holiday season filled with peace, love, and warmth.